Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do a tiny little grocery haul. So I got 4 packages of spinach, fresh spinach. I got 2 packs of cereal, crispy rice, and I got an olive oil, salt, butternut squash, and I got some ginger. These are huge looking oranges, and this is green peas, 2 containers of peanuts, and we got some cabbages, and here I have some broccoli, cauliflower, carrot chopped packages, frozen, some beans, and I already showed you the cabbages, and apples, and some 2 bags of red onion, 2 packs of cilantro, and some frozen cut green beans. So this is my grocery haul for this week. See you with another haul next week.